I got her addicted. S-O-N-G-Z. I got her addicted. I go in deeply. I got her addicted. I'm the MVP. Addicted to it, addicted. Gang time. It started with a model and a bottle full of vodka. Hey. Sophisticated woman and she say that she a doctor.
DJ Finesse.
I got a pretty woman, sexy on her own, and later on she texts me on the phone, said, I know you're young, but come show me your grown. Had sex in the city, sex in the city. Started off with the kid, next there was a lake, next there was some motion in her ocean. I kept coasting on
I am addicted to soul. I am addicted to soul.
Yeah.
I am addicted to soul. My addiction.
I make your girl say,
I am addicted to soul. I am addicted to soul.
Hey baby, it's your boy Trey Songz, Trader. I guess it's that good to a check.
when I look into the mirror,
What you say?
a G is all I see.
Me too. Come on.
And it can never be no clearer.
What you mean?
Cause she addicted to the love I give. She's so stuck on it, night to the morning, dusk to the dawn, in the afternoon, and after the moon is gone and the sun and come back around and the lights going down. Cause it's nighttime now and we still getting down. She don't feel pain no more, so she's still sitting down, still spinning round. If she was
Trey Songz come through. Got my man DJing on. This is so stressful situation right here. You don't seem to understand. It's a lot of business, a lot of preparation when you're dealing with this kind of shit. It's real stressful. We just had over 1,000 people outside for Trey Songz. It was ridiculous. It was a success, but it's always backlash. Police wanted to shut it down because there were so many kids. He's supposed to be here at 3 o'clock. He got here at 4, so there's like a lot going on. But I'm gonna fill y'all in at a later date on the politics of the game. There's always politics involved. Shit like this.
she's beginning to go insane from a needle in her vein. Needle in her vein, call him never central man. Addicted to the verses, he dispersing like cocaine. He dope, but he's so vain. Quick coke and fumes. Bag it once I have it in the places I give it to the end. I developing the twitch for the shit that I spit. You the fix. And if you hating, eat a glass dick. Trick.